Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 605. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable DND mode. In the beginning, swipe down notification bar, extend it and search for DND. Tap this button to enable this function. Press and hold this button to go to menu of the DND. Here you can select between always and timer. Also, we can go to DND settings to make DND exceptions. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.